Yo, what up? What you doing here? Oh, you saw the thumbnail. Oh, you came to see these. Have you heard about these? The JBL CLUB PRO Plus? Yeah, I've been waiting on these for a minute. I mean, you here. I guess we can check them out. Let's dive in. Let's go.
Downtown, I got that heat, let's go.
All right, so look, this is not a review because I've only had these for about 72 hours. And if you know JBL, at least in my personal experience, usually they start off really good. And after about a month or two, things get a little bit iffy. So let's just call this first impressions. And I'll either keep you updated through videos or in the comments. So make sure you hit that sub button if you haven't already. All right, so let me just start by saying, I did not grab these off of the JBL website or Best Buy for $200. I stalked Amazon and eBay, and the price on Amazon is fluctuating between $160 and $175 right now. So if you're interested in these, keep an eye out because these are dope. I do have a few dislikes, but none of these are deal breakers. Starting with the outside. This is probably my favorite case, like ever. It's not a fingerprint magnet. It's nice, small, sleek. The magnets that hold the case closed and keeps the buds in are fairly strong. Now, I'm not too confident that they won't go flying out if you drop the case. So, yeah, don't drop the case. Now you get Type-C on the bottom. On the left side is your charging cable. Is your charging light. And on your right side is your reset. And they do have wireless charging, so that's a go. Battery life has been great. I'm around 17 hours with about an hour of ANC, and the app is still reading 43% on the case charge. The connection has been A1, 35 to 45 feet easy, no drops, nada. When you pop them open, they pair up really fast, takes about 3 seconds every time. Now, out the box, these have a really flat sound. I wouldn't say they're anything special, average at best. But the EQ is what makes these stand out. Being able to customize them to whatever you like, the EQ can cover a wide range of genres. I actually like the control you have on here better than what you have on the Jabra 85Ts. Now these, they sound really good. What doesn't sound good, in my personal opinion, is the DJ sound stages. If you like them, check them out. Let me know what you think down below. The fit has also been really good. I'm using the mediums. Haven't done any intense exercises, but you know, going up and down stairs, climbing ladders, talking, I haven't had any issues with them coming out. I started getting a little bit of ear fatigue about 90 minutes in. Now these are comfortable, but they're not the, oh, I forgot I had them in types. My biggest dislike so far is the ANC. I will never use that. It's all or nothing. You can't adjust it, and I don't like the congested feeling. The amount of noise that it gets rid of isn't worth the trade-off. The hear through and ambient awareness works perfect. The mics for the calls are really good. I haven't had any complaints. Here's a sample. This is how they'll sound with the windows up. Let's go ahead and roll the windows down. So this is what you can expect to get when you're rolling in the car with the windows down for the JBL Club Pro Plus. Once again, this is the audio you can expect when you're rolling in the car with the windows down. One more time, let's go ahead and roll the windows back up. And this is what you will expect when you're rolling with the windows up in the car. Let's keep it moving. Let's go. And finally, this is how the JBL Club Pros will sound in a controlled environment. Once again, this is how the JBL Club Pros will sound in a controlled environment. And this is a wrap on my 72 hours with these earbuds. Remember to like, comment, share, sub. Later.